In this section, we will cover advanced register features, including customer database creation, loyalty programs, and account-based payments. If your store wishes to implement a loyalty program, you'll need to start building a customer database. To begin, navigate to the Customer button on the POS screen. To add a new customer, first press New Customer, then press Keyboard at the top. For membership card number, you can either scan a new membership card on the POS scanner, or you can manually type a number. You can also press the Auto button to automatically generate a new number. Enter the customer's first, middle, and last name separately in the text boxes. Address is optional, but a phone number is required. Select SMS No, as we currently do not support messaging. Find and click the Billing and Payment button. On the right of the screen in the Payment section, select the account payment type. If the customer is a regular buyer, you may assign them an on-account status, allowing them to make purchases on credit. Press Save to store the customer in the system. Making a purchase on account. First, click the Customer button, then search for the customer account by entering either the customer's phone number or name. Once the customer is selected, their name will appear at the bottom left of the screen. When it is time for checkout, press Pay. Choose On Account as the payment method. Press OK to complete the transaction and add the invoice balance to the customer account. The customer's balance will now reflect the new purchase. You can continue accumulating charges up to a set credit limit. If a customer wants to pay off their balance, navigate to the Command button on the top right, then press Receive Payment on Account. Select Other if making a partial payment. Then enter the amount the customer wants to pay off. Finally, select the payment type and press OK to apply the payment. Now the payment has been processed and the customer account displays the updated account balance.